Welcome back to Project Aviate, the home of next-generation aviation, where we explore the machines that define the future of the skies. Today, we're diving into one of the most secretive and powerful fighter jet projects ever rumored to exist, the MiG-41, a hypersonic interceptor designed to dominate the edge of space and redefine the limits of speed, stealth, and power. This isn't just an upgrade, it's a revolution in air defense, a ghost in the stratosphere built to rule the next era of aerial warfare. As the scene opens, the camera pans across a frozen Russian airbase at dawn. The temperature hangs below zero, snow swirling across the tarmac as a dark silhouette stands motionless, the MiG-41. Its sleek, stealthy design gleams under the rising sun, a black dagger cutting through the light. Engineers and ground crew surround it in silence, preparing for a historic flight. The jet looks otherworldly, its fuselage sculpted for minimal drag, its wings sharp and futuristic. This is not the past, this is Russia's vision of the future. The engines come alive with a deep, thunderous growl. Twin hypersonic engines ignite, glowing bright blue as vapor clouds ripple around the airframe. Slowly, the MiG-41 begins to roll down the icy runway, leaving behind trails of snow and mist. Then, with a sudden surge of energy, it lifts off, a blur of power that vanishes into the horizon. The afterburners light up the sky like twin suns. The jet climbs higher and higher until it pierces through the clouds, rising into the stratosphere where few aircraft dare to fly. At this altitude, the air is thin, the sky turns dark, and the Earth curves below. The MiG-41 accelerates beyond Mach 5 times the speed of sound. The friction between its skin and the air creates a glowing plasma sheath surrounding the jet in a halo of energy. To the human eye, it's a comet streaking across the heavens. To radar systems, it's almost invisible. This is hypersonic flight, where technology meets the impossible. Inside the cockpit, the pilot sits in silence, surrounded by cutting-edge holographic displays. The heads-up interface glows with data, altitude, velocity, target vectors, all updating in real time. The control system is fully digital, powered by artificial intelligence that assists with decision-making at speeds no human could handle alone. Every movement of the control stick is translated through fly-by-wire precision. It's not just piloting, it's synchronization between human and machine. As the MiG-41 races through the upper atmosphere, the camera captures a breathtaking shot of the Earth's curvature. Blue oceans fade into black space as the jet glides near orbital altitude. The view from the cockpit feels surreal, stars shimmer above while the planet rotates slowly below. For the first time, an interceptor is not just defending airspace, it's patrolling the edge of space itself. Now imagine a sudden alert radar contact, a threat approaching from thousands of kilometers away. In seconds, the MiG-41's onboard AI identifies it, an incoming hypersonic missile. Traditional interceptors couldn't even react in time. But the MiG-41 isn't traditional. Its powerful sensors and next-generation tracking system lock onto the target instantly. From an internal weapons bay, a hypersonic missile slides into position. With a burst of light and shockwave, it launches, accelerating faster than a bullet, guided by quantum radar technology. Within moments, the threat is neutralized, disintegrated high above the atmosphere. Mission complete before the enemy even knows what happened. The MiG-41 isn't built for dogfights. It's built for dominance, for intercepting threats at speeds and distances no other aircraft can reach. With a rumored top speed exceeding Mach 6, it could outpace every fighter jet, missile, and drone ever made. Its range allows it to cross continents without refueling, making it a global guardian for Russian airspace. The aircraft's design reportedly uses next-generation composite materials that resist the heat of hypersonic flight, while its stealth geometry ensures minimal radar visibility even at extreme speeds. As we move to the next scene, the MiG-41 hovers silently above the Arctic ice, reflecting the northern lights. The aurora glows across its black titanium body, turning the jet into a futuristic predator under the stars. The camera zooms in to reveal intricate panel lines, heat-resistant surfaces, and the iconic red star on the tail fin, a symbol of legacy and power. Despite being an aircraft of the future, the MiG-41 carries the heritage of the legendary MiG interceptors that defended the skies during the Cold War. A cutaway visualization shows the jet's internal structure, twin engines, energy-efficient intakes, and plasma cooling systems. The new generation engines are said to operate in multiple modes, from turbojet at takeoff to ramjet and scramjet propulsion at hypersonic speeds. It's a seamless transition that keeps the aircraft efficient at every altitude. The result? Unmatched performance that can reach near-space environments. Now picture the MiG-41 flying in formation with drones and other interceptors, an entire hypersonic fleet moving in synchronization. It's not just one aircraft, it's a network defense system that could reshape modern air warfare. Using data fusion, each unit shares targeting information instantly, creating a shield of detection and strike capability across vast distances. It's like watching a futuristic ballet in the sky, speed, precision, and technology moving as one. Back on the ground in a futuristic hangar deep within Siberia, engineers study the data from the mission. The MiG-41 lands with perfect precision, its engines cooling under the crisp polar air. The surface glows faintly from heat, steam rising like mist. The pilot steps out, the helmet visor reflecting the jet behind him, a silent machine that just touched the edge of space. Every flight brings new data, new insights, and new possibilities. The era of the hypersonic interceptor has arrived. In the next shot, we see the MiG-41 during a night test, lights illuminating the runway, technicians moving with urgency. The engines ignite again, sending shockwaves across the airfield. The jet disappears into darkness, a flash of blue plasma trailing behind. From above, it looks like a meteor streaking into the sky, vanishing into the stars. The MiG-41 represents more than speed. It's a symbol of the future of air dominance, a glimpse into what nations will chase in the decades to come. Aircraft capable of reacting instantly, flying beyond radar and reaching the edge of orbit. Whether it becomes reality or remains a top-secret prototype, one thing is clear: the race for hypersonic supremacy has already begun. As the final shot fades, we see the MiG-41 gliding silently above Earth, the glow of the atmosphere below and infinite space above. The voice of Project Aviate returns. The sky is no longer the limit, it's just the beginning. The MiG-41 is not merely an aircraft, it's a vision of tomorrow, a testament to human innovation and the relentless pursuit of speed and control. Thank you for watching Project Aviate. If you're fascinated by the next generation of military and aerospace technology, make sure to like, subscribe, and join us for more deep dives into the aircraft shaping the future. Because here at Project Aviate, every story takes flight beyond imagination, and this is just the start of what's coming.